Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy sweet potato casserole in your crock pot. Thanksgiving is a crazy holiday. There's such a need to clear oven space, and by making your sweet potatoes in your crock pot, you do just that. And trust me, they are delicious, and they smell really good, so it'll get your house smelling all Thanksgiving-y before the holiday. So I won't waste any time. We'll get started. I have sweet potatoes in my crock pot that I diced up real small like this, and we're going to add a couple other ingredients. We have half of a stick of butter. We are going to add half of a cup of brown sugar. After that, we have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a dash of allspice, and a dash of nutmeg that we're going to add right in as well. We're then going to add about a teaspoon of a vanilla and 1/4 of a cup of bourbon. Trust me, this is what makes this recipe super duper fun. You're then going to mix this all up. Ooh, I smell the bourbon. You're going to mix this all up in your crock pot and set it on either high for 3 to 4 hours or low for 7 to 8 hours. Depending on what you do, either one is fine. So like I said, couldn't be easier. Cover these bad boys up, 3 to 4 hours on low, 7 to 8 on high, and then we're gonna do something really fun. We're gonna take some marshmallows and put them over top and then just put it under the broiler for a couple minutes in our oven just to melt those marshmallows. They'll start to melt anyway because the sweet potatoes will be hot at that point, but we wanna get like that nice kind of like, broiled effect to them. So just take the crock pot, put it right under your broiler, and you will get just that. And after that little bit of time in the oven, you have yourself a delicious sweet potato casserole for your Thanksgiving table that you made in your crock pot. Freed up that oven space and everything. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this every week. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.